I'm going to go into portrait and just show how you change the lighting by swiping your finger down here at the bottom. Next, I'll actually take a picture so you can see how it works. So on the newer iPhones, in the camera, you have some options in the portrait. I'm going to turn it into selfie mode. And when I choose portrait, I now have some special lighting options. I just rub my finger over and it shows studio light or contour light, or this is the coolest one, stage light. Actually blacks out everything behind you. Let's see if I can get a little bit better. There we go. So that's stage light, blacking out everything, or black and white, or what it calls contour light. It blurs the background some. So I'm going to snap a photo in that stage light.